Hey guys, today I have a quick tip for you about expressions and how you can visualize what's going on in your variable. Let's put in a variable on the rotation property of this object. So let's say the variable is called variable, and let's put in a number, say 13. Now, if we put in variable as the output of the rotation property, we of course know that variable is 13 because it says so right here. But how do we know before it is executed that what the variable actually houses? Well, we get a little script for that, and it's called, we'll throw in throw, and then we'll say variable. Now, if you click away, it actually gives an error. But this is one of the best errors you can have, because when you click on your expression, you get an error message that actually says what the variable is at the time that you put in throw. And that's pretty important, because if you have multiple variables after each other, you can actually see what every variable has inside of them before you do any further calculation with them. So let's say I have two variables and I want to put some calculations between them. I first want to check what my variables are. Now, why is this important? Because in this example, I really know what my variable is going to house because it's a number. But let's say my variable is, for instance, the substring of a name. Now, name.substring, name.length -2, comma 2, might be a little daunting to you, and you don't really know what the script is going to do and what the output's going to be. Now, throw will give you the output of that. So if you click on this, again, we have the throw here with the variable. So it's going to say what the variable is, and it says it's 12. And that is because the shape layer is called shape layer 12, and it's subtracting it's going 2 characters back from the length of the name and then gives you 2 characters. Now you can kind of prototype with this script. Let's say you put in 2 or 1 here instead of 2, and you click away and click on it. And now you see that we get 1 as an output of the variable. So that means that it actually goes, if we go over here, we have shape layer 12, we go 2 characters back, and then we say we want 1 character of this name. So that's it's a really convenient script. I use it all the time to check my variables and see what's actually in them before I do further calculations with them. I hope this helps you writing expressions. If you have any questions, if there's anything on your mind, if there anything you want to know more about, please let me know in the comments. Like this video if you find it helpful, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.